do you guys figure with that thing? Let's drive up, take a closer look. That's the one, remember, it was hung up. It was hung up in that tree up there. Well, she ain't hung up anymore. There's the top of it. Let's go take a peek-see-poo. Gosh, it's still got a lot holding on. I am not sure. I'm almost thinking about maybe tying onto it with a Big Bertha there and just pulling it down, but I don't know. I mean, it's just, you can't pull it left or right here. And I'm not going to pull that thing down, that's for sure. But you could see it's being, you see how it's being pushed. Yeah, there's still a lot of fibers up there. I don't know. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think I should do with that. Get back up in here where the heat is. So get this heater back on. Get this window rolled up. There we goes. So yeah, guys, let me know what you're thinking about that. There's no work going on today. It's so down here it's just too wet and nasty to do anything, and unfortunately, I mean, I'll work, I don't care. I mean, look, I'm not even running my windshield wipers right now, but it's not my call. The work that the homeowner wants done can't be done when it's wet. Like, there's a lot of spraying that needs to be, that just can't be done right now. So they're the ones that pay the tab. So when they say no work, no work. I mean, I don't complain about it. There's plenty of work to do. The one cancellation that I do have a say in today, which I gotta look into it here shortly, but I'm probably gonna cancel work for the day there. We're getting close to the edge. Is oh, a little bit of tire slippage. Sorry guys, I don't want to put my van in the creek. Not today. We'll save that for a Monday. So it's up above the snow, and I'm just not equipped to go to the snow right now. I've got that 4x4 at home that needs to be fixed, but I've got other stuff like the van door needs to be replaced first. So we got to take care of that stuff before we take care of the 4-wheel drive. But eventually I'll be able to go up. I just can't risk the van or the truck, because, you know, I make my livelihood out of these things. So anyway, guys, just a quick short one for right now. I'll you know, if I'm gonna take a rain day, I'll probably actually get caught up in some video editing, because God knows there's enough of that to do. But we'll catch you next time.